From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good afternoon. I'm student meteorologist Denys Khrulov with your Friday evening CNET forecast. If you're a fan of the winter weather, get excited because more of that is coming over the next 24 to 72 hours, and I have more of that in your forecast. So right now, temperatures are sitting at 34 degrees here in State College with mostly cloudy skies. We do have wind coming out of the west-southwest at 16 miles per hour, making it feel a lot more colder than needed. We do have wind chills. We're currently in the mid-20s. Taking a look at weather headlines over the next few days, a lot of winter weather is coming, as I've mentioned earlier. We have dangerous snow squalls this afternoon, which will lead into our coldest weekend of the season yet. We'll have temperatures barely making it to the freezing point this weekend. And then, however, we will see a brief pattern change next week. We'll have a little bit of calmness and maybe even a little bit warmer temperatures. Taking a look at temperatures across the region right now, we have temperatures basically in the low 30s with a wind coming out of the west, making it feel a lot colder than needed. And taking a look at temperatures across the current Commonwealth at this hour, we do have temperatures in the 30s and 40s depending where you're located. So taking a look at the current radar and satellite, we do have a few snow showers and snow squalls making their way through portions of western and central PA. Again, if you're headed out and traveling this afternoon and evening, please be aware of rapidly changing weather conditions. And as always, no place is safe on the highway during a snow squall. So if you're on the highway during a snow squall, please take an exit or drive really slow because it's going to be really dangerous. And then at the regional view, we do have, again, lots of lake effect streamers going on because of the cold pattern we are currently in. Taking a look at the future radar, as you can see, snow squalls and snow showers will make its way through the Happy Valley region around 5 o'clock this evening. But once those move through, we'll have clear skies move in, leading to calmer conditions. However, we'll still have that wind coming out of the west at potentially 15 to 20 mile per hour at times. Even into this weekend, we'll have brief periods of sun and clouds, but staying mostly dry into the weekend. Even into Sunday, we'll have a mix of sun and clouds. However, portions of northwest PA will see the continued lake effect snow, which would not have an impact here in central PA. And then that will head into Sunday evening as well. If you're a fan of the colder weather, you should be pretty excited because the Climate Prediction Center has highlighted our region at seeing probabilities of seeing below average temperatures in the 6 to 10 day time frame. So again, while it will get generally warmer next week, it will still stay below average, making it feel a little bit more like winter. So tonight we'll have snow squalls early with a low temperature of 25 degrees. We will have winds coming out of the west with gusts potentially up to 30 miles per hour, making it feel a lot colder than needed. We'll have wind chills potentially into the upper teens at times. For tomorrow, we'll have a high of 31 degrees with sunny and cold conditions. Again, winds out of the west at 25 mile per hour gusts at times. In your 7-day outlook, we'll see a slowly gradual, it'll be the coldest weekend yet this season. However, we will see a slow gradual warming trend as we head Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. By your Thanksgiving holiday on Thursday, we'll have temperatures peak around 50 degrees, but however, we'll see the clouds return ahead of our next system, which will come in Friday, bringing a potential wintry mix to the region with a high of 40 degrees. That is still a few days, it's still 4 ways out, so changes are expected. So stay tuned to updates as they come in over the next few days for that potential storm. Anyway, have a great weekend and week ahead.